In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include Pinterest on your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. It might sound like a challenge, but fret not, as this can be an easy addition with the right steps. Connecting Pinterest to your WordPress site can help enhance your visual content strategy and engage with your audience more effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice several options, but what you want to focus on here is the login button. Go ahead and click on it, and this will bring you to the next step, which involves accessing your personal account. For a seamless experience, click on Continue with Google. This option is designed to simplify the process and connect easily with existing credentials. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your WordPress site. This ensures consistency and keeps everything under one roof. With that done, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Over on the right panel, you'll notice a section titled Quick Links. Here, find and click on Edit Site. This step is crucial as it directs you to the content management area of your website, where you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments. Now take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an Add button, which is your gateway to all sorts of content and features that you can integrate into your site. Click on this Add button, and it will allow you to add a new block to your web page. When the pop-up appears, go ahead and type Pinterest into the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Typing this in will bring up several options, and from them you will see Pinterest. This feature enables you to easily embed Pinterest pins, boards or profiles directly onto your pages or posts. Finally, click on the Pinterest option. This will create a block that can be customized to showcase your chosen Pinterest content. You can use this opportunity to embed beautiful pins or boards that are relevant to your audience or align with your content themes. And there you have it, a simplified yet effective way to connect Pinterest to your WordPress site. Incorporating Pinterest not only adds visual appeal, but also opens up another channel for interaction with your site visitors. This integration can help boost engagement and drive more traffic to both your WordPress site and your Pinterest profile, creating a harmonious synergy between the two platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.